In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create paychecks in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through creating a paycheck using the check form in QuickBooks Online. This is helpful when you need to issue a physical check or record a manual payment. If you run payroll with QuickBooks Payroll, you'll typically process checks there, but this method works when you're recording a check-style payment directly in your books. Start by heading to the QuickBooks Online website using your browser's search bar. Click Sign In and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look for the plus icon labeled New near the top of the screen. Click that, then choose Check. Depending on your region, you might see it spelled check, but it's the same form. This opens a blank check where we'll fill in all the details. First, choose the payee. This should be the person or company you're paying. Make sure you select the correct profile so your reporting stays accurate. Next, pick the bank account the check will be drawn from. Double check that it's the right account if you manage multiple bank accounts in QuickBooks. While you're here, it's a good idea to confirm the check date and the check number if you're using pre-printed checks, so everything matches what you'll hand over or print. Now set the category. This tells QuickBooks how to categorize the expense. For a paycheck-style payment recorded as a check, you might use an appropriate expense account, such as a wages or payroll-related account, depending on your setup. If you're unsure which category fits your situation, check your chart of accounts or consult your accounting advisor so it posts correctly to your financial statements. Add a description if you want more clarity. Think of this as a memo for future you or anyone reviewing the books. A short note like pay period ending date or a brief purpose line makes reports much easier to interpret later. Enter the amount you're paying and then set the tax if it applies. In many cases, there's no sales tax on a